guys, so today I'm going to be unbagging the August IPSY bag. I'm really excited. I have already opened the package, but I haven't opened the actual bag itself. So I'm really excited to get into this with you guys. Currently I'm just wearing a little bit of concealer and a little bit of powder, so I had a good base for whatever is inside. This is this month's bag. It's like a really pretty kind of peach linen bag with some yellow detail. I'm really into yellow right now, so I really like that. And it just says IPSY at the bottom right here. Let's get into it. First we have Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss. Okay, let's open that up. Oh, in the color Text Me. That's adorable. So cute. I've had a lip gloss from them before in my IPSY and I really liked it, so I'm excited to try this one. Ooh. That's pretty. It's like a metallic. All right, I'm gonna give it a shot. My mirror is right over here, so if I'm looking not at the camera, that's why. That feels really nice. I like that color a lot too. Super cute. I like that. It's a very casual, I was just a little bit afraid of the shimmer, but it's a very casual shimmer. And I think the lip glossy look is kind of coming back, so I'm really excited about this. I will be using this in the future, and it's not sticky at all. Like, it almost has a like lip balmy feel more than a lip gloss feel. I really like that a lot. On to the next. This is Bang Beauty. What are you? Oh, it says smoky. So it must be like a smoky eyeshadow. Oh, it's like a baby eyeshadow palette. That's adorable. That'd be really good for traveling. That's the one thing I do have to say about IPSY. I have all these really nicely sized products for when I want to travel. So I really like that. Usually I make a look with everything that I have in my IPSY bag, but let me make sure I don't have any other eyeshadow products before we get into that. Those are really pretty colors though. It looks like 3 shimmers and then maybe a matte black. I think it's black. It's a like brown undertone black. I'm gonna swatch that really quick. Oh, it's a deep brown actually. Really pretty though. We will make a look with that in just a minute. Next we have this is Pixie Beauty, Pixie by Petra. I think they sell this at Target. I could be wrong, but I've heard of it before. Oh, that's pretty. The Pixie Beauty Blush Duo in Peach Honey. Oh, it's more plastic. Okay. All right, that's so cute. It has the little pressed pixie in the powder. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's really pretty. Okay, and it's just a blush, so I guess we can go ahead and put that on. If I can find my blush brush. Get all the excess. I need to wash my brushes more often. There's some powder in there. Ooh, or dust, I'm really not sure. Anyways, let's put it in my new product. I'm not like a huge blush person, blush person, but I'm excited to try this. Okay, we're gonna do a little blush. I can't do blush without smiling. I always feel so weird when I'm like, all right, what's next? This is a lip balm. I am already wearing lip gloss, so I don't think I'm gonna use this, but I am gonna open it. Ooh, it smells nice. Kind of fruity. I don't know what kind of fruit, but it smells nice. It has coconut oil, sunflower oil, beeswax, cocoa butter, shea butter, vitamin E, aloe vera, and then whatever coloring they use in it. Cool, it sounds awesome. I'm gonna try this on later and insert a clip here. Just tried this Glow chapstick. It feels really nice, very moisturizing. It tastes nice too. It has kind of like a watermelon taste. I know earlier I said that it kind of smelled like fruit. It's definitely watermelon. I really like it, so yeah. And last but not least, we have, okay, this is MAC False Lashes in Extreme Black. It's just like a little mascara sample. cool. I assumed it was like a not mascara because it's in a squeezy tube, but I think a lot more people are doing that recently. I heard that you get more product if you have it in the squeeze tube because you can get all of like excess from around the sides. I don't know if that's necessarily true or if it's just like a cheaper way to package, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that eyeshadow look with the Bang Beauty palette. The lightest shade is this little shimmer up here. So I'm gonna start with this one just on kind of as a base on my eyelids. I don't usually start with a shimmer, but it's not crazy shimmery. Also, I'm going to work after this, like literally directly after this, so if it looks crazy, I'm just gonna have to go to work that way. I really don't have any other option. I like this though. It's going on nicely. It's not like too dark. I'm gonna do this color next, this dark brown right here. And I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush, kind of put that in my crease. Okay, so this is smoky, but it's not like out of this world smoky. I was afraid that it was gonna be like black and silver because I'm not comfortable with using those colors in my eyes. I hope to one day become comfortable with using them, but I don't really honestly know what I'm doing when it comes to like black-based shadows. All right. And then next I'm gonna take some of that other shimmer over here, this brown shimmer, just on my finger and put it in the center of my lid. Yeah. That's pretty. As far as smoky eyes go, I would say it's like pretty subtle. I like that. Then I'm gonna take the, oh, I just put the top on this, but I need to, there we go. I kind of wish that the top was attached. That's the only thing that I don't love about this because I like when it would, I'd like it better if it was more like a compact situation rather than having to put the top down. Okay, next I'm gonna use this kind of, it's pretty thick for a liner brush, but it is a liner brush, in the dark brown that I used in the crease and just put it under the eye a little bit. And I'm gonna use my Precise liner brush with the matte deep brown and just do a really, really tight eyeshadow liner. All right, I'm probably gonna cut out the whole section where I was trying to do that because I was way too up close and personal with the camera. All right. And now, I already curled my eyelashes earlier, so I'm gonna go in with this False Lashes mascara and be right back, because I know I can't do this on camera. All right, that is the completed look. I just added the MAC False Lashes Extreme Black. The only complaint I have about this is that it was a little bit messy, which could be user error, to be like completely honest. I don't know if you can see that, but I got it all over myself. I also ended up using the smudges underneath my eye as eyeliner and just using my liner brush and kind of smudging it out. So yeah, only complaint here is that I feel like I just did an art project. I think it looks nice. I really like the way that it looked. I think I just need a better handle on the mascara wand. It's kind of more the traditional mascara wand with little hairs, and a lot of the ones that I use have plastic bristles, so I think I'm more used to a plastic bristle, but again, this is not MAC's fault. So yeah, this is, I can't choose a favorite. Everything rocks. My least favorite was the mascara, but that's because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'll update you guys when I learn how to put mascara on like an adult. Maybe 23 is the charm. 22 apparently is not. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I do an IPSY unbagging every month. By every month I mean I've done one other one because I've only been on YouTube for a little while. Like and comment if you want to see more videos like this, or if there's any makeup related things you guys want to see in the future. All right, you guys have a great day and I will see you next week.